her now. I've got you today. Hey! Husband snatcher. Hey, shame on you. I've got you today. You are a failure.
No, it's not my sister.
Get quiet if you don't know what to say.
It cannot be my sister.
Prostitute. Someone saw her leaving the hotel with my husband last week and they snapped her. See, let me warn you. Let me warn you. I don't joke with my property. The next time I will see you close to my husband, I will make sure I post your picture in all social media and also put it on you. Prostitute. Don't worry. This is just a warning. Wait for the second time.
Sister, are you okay? Sister, how can you think you could marry someone's husband?
I say, go for bad thing. Maybe she just thought I look like somebody that she saw. You know this, the word we look like somebody. Definitely, everybody looks like everybody. And hey, let's go. Mad people are roaming about everywhere.
Eat fast, I'll go and sleep. Oh, I'm on night shift.
That's right. Sister, when I grow up, I want to be a nurse like you.
Really? And you'll be a better nurse. And I will do everything in my power to make sure that you get the best. Like the very best in everything. You go to the best schools. I will even make sure I will do my best for you to do your master's abroad.
Oh,
yes, now.
Sister.
Yes.
Sister, thank you so much. Taking care of me, providing all my needs ever since our parent died. Thank you.
And thank you for being the sweetest baby sister ever.
Thank you, sis.
Sure, you're welcome. I love you more.
Hey, sister. That woman at the roadside.
Oh, don't worry about her. She didn't harm me, so I'm good. Don't forget about it. Okay. Madam.
You're going already?
Yeah, so just come and lock the door after me, yeah?
Okay, ma.
Don't open the door for anybody.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Wait, let me just finish this game that I'm doing.
The phone.
Oh, no.
Fast, come on.
They're coming. I'm coming.
Jesus.
Hi.
I'm tired.
How was work?
Work is stressful.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Sister, I'll go and rest. Don't worry, I'll make breakfast for you. Yes. Since I'm done with my work, I'll be the one taking care of you.
Okay, yes, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Yes, You're welcome to stay with us. Yes, it's fine. It's fine. Just come. All right, then. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Sis, when I was sick, we needed her help. She did not turn up. So why are we helping her now?
Kaito, It's not good to pay evil with evil. She said she didn't have it then.
She did not have. But she bought human hair right in our presence and she paid completely.
Kaito. You know Dora likes fashion, right? And we can also change unkind people by being kind to them.
I know.
We will lay good example for them. So, you know why you now...
There are some unkind people we need to distance ourselves from, unless they're going to hurt us. And Dora is a for example.
Dora is not a bad person. Are you forgetting that she's the one that recommended me for this job I'm currently doing?
I don't know. My heart does not accept that lady. She looks so corny. I don't know if that's the right word to use.
I think you're just overthinking the whole thing, eh? Don't worry, she'll take your room, eh? Why you still sleep in my room? Why are you looking at me like that?
I hope she won't stay for long.
Yeah, she said she will be staying, but she just wants to stay here while she sorts her accommodation.
Better. I can't wait for her to leave already.
Yeah, baby. She never come. You don't do pressure.
I don't like her.
Sorry, now just chill. Let's just help her while we can.
I'll try and cope.
Thank you. Dora, baby.
Thank you so much for offering to help.
No, it's fine. Bring your bag, welcome. Welcome.
Ah, Kaito, how are you? Look at you, you're growing so big.
Yes. My friend, take the bag. You are allowing me to carry it. Let's go. Go inside, Ojari. Welcome. This place is fine. Abby. What will you eat? Eh? We have everything. What is it now? What is it? Dora, the thing is, my sister is not aware about the kind of business that we do. You know, as a big sister, I have to set a good example for her. So I told her I'm a nurse. So please, I'll need you to play along, okay?
Okay, no problem. We can all be nurses now. Just that me, I don't have my uniform.
That's fine. You just tell her you're here to get yours.
Okay, no problem.
Oh God. Dora, I just pray to God to send me help so I will stop this whole thing. I hate it with passion.
What are you saying? It's your hall, you should be proud of it.
Proud of waiting. I beg, leave that thing. Leave it. Anyways, thanks for coming. Come inside. Let's go. Please, don't forget to play along.
Oh yeah, let's go. I'm ready.
Sister, I did not know Auntie Dora is a nurse.
But she is now. That was how she was able to recommend me for the job.
Yes. Okay.
Don't worry, very soon you will join us.
Be batting. Don't be saying that kind of thing.
Oh no, sister. I told you I want to be a nurse.
You'll be a nurse, but not this kind of nurse, eh? And I told you, you'll be an international nurse. Yes. Come and lock the door.
Hi, nurse.
Hi.
Can I give you a lift?
No, we're waiting for our driver.
So, can I have your number at least?
No.
Come on. Hi. I'm Eric.
My name is Noella. This is my friend Dora.
Hi.
Hi, Noella. Can I please get your number so I could call you some other time?
You can have mine.
I insist. Please.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll give you a call later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah. Okay.
See that guy? That guy is a bad guy. He knows that I know what he does.
What do you mean?
You see, you know you're very innocent and you're not too smart. You don't understand.
Oh. Boy, oh boy, what a day. Hello, Noella.
Eric.
Oh, you remember me?
No, not really.
How then did you know my name?
I just guessed. I mean, you are the only one I gave my contact to.
Okay. I was just thinking, can I see you tomorrow?
Why?
Nothing. I just wanted us to see, talk and, get to know each other better.
Okay. What time?
4 p.m.
That's fine then. At least it should be before I get to work because I have late night shift.
All right, that's fine. I'll see you by 4 then. Good night, Noella.
You should have blocked him now. He shouldn't be disturbing you at work.
Yes, but he thinks I'm a nurse and he might think that I can take his call. So
You've not even accepted him yet. He's already monitoring you.
though I think I like the guy.
See, in this our business, you have to be very careful. You don't need any distraction. That's all I can say. You already like him. Let's go.
Yes, I'm almost ready. All right, I'll text the address to you now. All right. Thank you.
Sis, what did he say?
He just wanted to know if I'm still coming.
Yes. Oh, finally.
Yes, what?
I've always dreamt of you getting married to a rich man, and I'll be your chief bridesmaid.
Keep dreaming. Kaito, this man is not on our level. Besides, I don't even think he wants to date me. Maybe he just wants to be friends or brother.
Brother, okay. Me, I don't want a brother.
Huh?
See, first thing. Just go. Let's see what he wants. But as for me, I'm sure God has brought my in-law to me already.
Oh, yeah.
He's already my in-law.
Eh? Okay.
Pictured him like that already.
Yeah, I forgot to text the address.
Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
Mr. Eric, right?
Yes.
My name is Kaito Chuku, but you can call me Kaito.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Same, sir.
Yeah. How about I call you K?
That's fine, sir.
Alright, no problem. No problem. Oh, you're ready?
Yes, yeah. Hello.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you very much.
Are you guys going out? I can join you.
Sure.
No. Aunt, sister. Uncle Eric said it's a private hangout. Don't worry, me and Auntie Dora will chill out in here.
Yes, it's just for the both of us.
Sorry, maybe next time.
Okay.
Please, shall we?
Sure.
Thank you.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
You're being dramatic.
I can't even wait for us to get to the restaurant. I want you to be my woman. I am very much attracted to you.
I don't know what to say.
What? You don't want to date me? Look, I want you to be my woman, okay? And I'm looking at something permanent if things goes well.
I'm sorry, I can't. And it's not you, it's me. I'm sorry.
I get it. It's a polite way of saying no. It's fine.
No, Eric, you're misunderstanding me. You're a very likable person. But I just don't think we're good for each other.
Can you just give it a thought? Please.
Okay, but I don't see any hope in it.
Don't worry. I have faith. We're meant to be together. And you can also pray about it.
Who asked you to say no to me? Was I talking to you? Sorry, ma. Sorry for yourself. You can't mind your business.
No.
I'll call you.
Alright then. Okay, drive safe.
I hope you didn't accept him as your boyfriend.
I didn't.
Better. That guy is a huge distraction. He will only waste your time and leave you at the end of the day.
The reason why I didn't accept dating him is because I already lied to him that I'm a nurse. I feel if he discovers that I'm a runs girl. He's going to be disgusted and I don't want that.
Exactly.
Where's Kaito?
She's inside sleeping.
Honestly,
Come inside, he has gone. Ah,
Sis, why don't you want to marry him?
I just can't.
Why?
We're words apart.
Abba. Chief is those that used to watch movies that will see people that are not in the same level, they will get married. The guy will come and propose to her and then, what are you saying?
Kaito, that's in movies. This is reality. This is real life.
Sis, have faith. As for me, I have faith and I believe something serious is going to happen between you, but...
Anyways, I told him I'll think about it. So.
Okay. Me, I'll just pray about it because I hope it's going to be a positive answer.
Kaito, face your studies.
Since I'm done with secondary school now, I'm a big girl. I just want...
Continue reading.
I'm reading now.
Read ahead of the 100 level. Read. Just be reading.
To read every day.
You're not reading enough.
I
Read
want
more.
to do jack of all trades. I'll read and I'll also poke nose in this one. You must say yes.
I hear you. I'll try.
Nice.
Good night, baby.
She seems to be rejecting my call intentionally. Okay, I'll call her again tomorrow. And if she doesn't take my call, I'll go to her house.
Is that not Uncle Eric? Pick now.
I don't want to answer.
Why?
I just don't feel like it.
I think you shouldn't pick too.
Ma, my sister did not ask for your opinion.
Will you shut up?
Look, Lola, I have a lot of experience with guys. And I will tell you for a fact that this guy is a time waster.
No, Auntie Dora. You're just jealous.
Kaito! Don't blame me.
Sis, I just feel that you are rejecting a blessing from God.
I don't feel qualified for this blessing.
Don't say that. It's only God that has the right to know who is qualified and who is not. Moreover, God never calls the qualified, but He qualifies the called. And sis, you're intelligent, beautiful, calm, and you're also a nurse.
Kaito, you don't understand.
I understand. See, sis, if God wants to bless someone, He does not even look where the person is coming from, the background of the person. He doesn't even look back or front. So I just feel you should just calm down and allow God to do what He wants to do. Stop worrying yourself, please, and try and rest.
I don't know. I just feel like she'll accept him and see how it goes.
Noella, that guy is a time waster. He will only waste your time. That kind of man probably has several women he's going after. and you're here thinking about him.
I mean, what if he's a good man? And I wouldn't know if I don't try, right?
You're not hearing me. He will only waste your time. Remember, we have business to go to this night.
Ever since I met Eric, I don't feel like doing this job again now. I'd rather get a low-paying job than continue selling my body. I'm tired of it.
I have to find a way to help my sister. Uncle Eric is a good man, and I don't know why she's holding back. She will listen to me. Let's try.
Okay, I'm ready to go. You sure say you no go follow me go work?
No, I don't feel like it.
Okay, well, just don't come begging me for money when you go broke. Good night.
Good night.
Sis, you did not go to work today.
Yeah, I don't feel like it.
Why?
I'm thinking of quitting nursing. They keep posting me for night duties and I'm tired.
Well, that sounds great.
Okay.
But I have an idea.
What idea?
Why don't you just continue with Uncle Eric? But just as friends. As friends.
Kaito,
Ah.
I don't want to start any relationship that I won't finish.
Why? Don't you want to get married?
I do, but I don't think anyone wants to marry me.
Oh, please. Please, stop saying that. You saying it is also hurting me as well. Okay, see, tomorrow, why don't you just call Uncle Eric and you guys just talk things out as just friends? He just wants to be your friend. Think about it now. Please.
Okay, I'll call him.
Thank you. One more thing.
What?
Please, don't involve Auntie Dora in this matter. Don't tell Auntie Dora. She's going to discourage you, and I don't like you telling her your business. Our business. Okay?
Okay. Can I sleep now?
Yes, you can sleep. Thank you. I want to continue reading. Okay.
Sorry. Welcome.
Thank you.
You're tired, Abby?
I'm so tired.
Sorry. I made food. Just help yourself, huh?
Thank you so much. I'm so hungry.
I understand.
Good morning.
I'm freshen up and eat something. Alright.
Sister, don't tell her yet. Yes, don't tell her yet.
Okay, Chief Advisor.
Thank you. What are you watching?
Okay, just wait outside. I will come and meet you in the car. Yes, I'll meet you in the car. Just wait. I'm coming. Yes.
Yeah, now, sister, be going.
Eh?
Go now.
Okay, if Dora asks, just tell her I want to get something.
Okay, no problem. Be going. I'll tell her that.
Alright.
Bye.
Where's Luella?
She went to buy something.
Oh, okay. For now, I think we can only be friends.
Why don't you want to date me?
Nothing. It's just I don't feel like dating anyone for now.
Did someone break your heart?
Maybe I will share later.
Alright.
And please, can we be meeting more at your place? Or mostly? Mostly, I meant mostly, no more, like more.
Okay, if that will make you more comfortable, that's fine.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Auntie Dora, do nurses wear this kind of makeup you do wear?
Yes, we can wear whatever we want to wear. It's a free word.
Okay, oh. Me, I'm only concerned about the children that are there. Let's not scare them away.
Kaito, mind your business and leave my makeup alone.
Okay.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Your house is beautiful.
Thank you. Let's go to the dining. I made you something to eat.
This is interesting. You know how to cook?
Of course I know how to cook.
Oh, okay. What did you make?
Well, you will see.
Okay. Thank you. This is nice.
Thank you.
Anyways, I can't wait to cook for you. I'm good too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. I can't wait to eat your food.
In fact, tomorrow, when you come to my place, I'll be the one to cook. I'll cook for you. Special meal and you enjoy it.
Really?
Yes.
You know,
And henceforth, each time I visit you, don't stress. I'll do the cooking.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I think I have a better idea.
What?
Why don't you move into my house? You and your sister.
That's not ideal now. Come on.
Come on. You said we just want to be friends. Yes, fine, good. Friends can be siblings and siblings live together.
They play. Just the play.
I'm glad you like the food.
Yeah, it's nice. But I'm better.
Yeah? Well, the trial shall come.
Kaito,
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Kay. How you doing?
where are you going to?
I was going to Mommy Nika shop to go get something. Oh,
So how you doing?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
I'm very good, thank you. Let me quickly rush back so I can beat the traffic.
Alright, that's fine.
Thank you for making my day today.
Thank you for having me.
I'll see you later.
Alright.
Hi.
Yeah, bye-bye.
So let me just quickly wash and get to the
Okay.
Coming now.
Don't stay too long, go. Uh-huh. Hi. Welcome. tired.
Are you dating him now?
No, we're just friends.
I thought you said you wouldn't take his calls anymore.
Yes, and then I changed my mind. You were not around, I would have told you.
Interesting.
Right there, you're back. Okay, let me freshen up. He's a good cook, a really, really good cook. And he's godly. I just feel I don't deserve him.
Sis, don't say that. You have the most beautiful heart I've ever seen. No one is too good for you. Okay?
Kaito, you won't understand. I'm not who you think I am. And I'm so sorry. I've been lying to you.
Lying to me about what, sis?
My job. I'm not a nurse.
What?
Eric believes I'm a nurse.
But you do go to work.
Kaito, do you remember that time that you were sick and I didn't have money to take you to the hospital and Dora came to the house?
Yes. I remember that day. Yes.
Yeah, I don't get money. I don't have one. I would have helped.
I beg now, see, she's in pain, please.
I know, but I don't get. I don't have.
Hey, Dora, see, I've asked for help from everybody I know. They refused. You're my last hope. Please don't just help me.
Like the country is hard. They touch everybody. It's very hard. I don't have. Check. Sorry. Yes. Hope say now correct my hair. Now. Okay. You know what? Add the red one. Remember, I ordered for the black one first, so add the two of them. I'll send you 300k. Yes. Oh, delivery 5k. No problem. I'll send you 305k. Send me original hairs, oh, no send me sponge. Hey. Oh yeah, no. Nice.
300k for hair. Hair!
No, I don't be like that.
Dora, I'm asking you for just 100k. So I will add and take my sister to the hospital. Now you didn't do me like this. I just say you be my friend.
See, Noel, I be your friend. I'm your friend. You see, the truth is, looking good is good business, eh? And I saved this money to buy this hair. I can't even use the money to buy food for myself, let alone giving it to another person. I beg, no verse. See, wait now. I will tell you to a job that will give you get money to save your sister.
Sorry, don't worry. I'm coming. Let me just.
Sorry.
Just shout my name if you need
I want to introduce you to the kind of business I do.
Okay.
This business gives me my daily income.
Okay. I'm interested. What's the job, please? Tell me.
It's called runs. Horse.
Runs. As in a shower.
Which one be a shower? I call it runs. It's called runs.
I cannot do that kind of a thing. No. My body is too precious for that kind of thing.
But you want me to give you the same money I earned from doing such?
No, now I just want you to lend me the money. I will pay you back. I swear, please. Yes.
So your body is precious. Mine is what? Worthless.
Dora, that's not what I mean, and you know it.
Anyways, I'm ready to hand you my top clients so you can save your sister's life. So you have two choices. To save your sister's life or to save your body. Which one you go choose?
But Dora, you're my friend, though.
Which one you go choose?
I'm so sorry, sis. You had to do all that just to save my life. It's all my fault.
No, don't say that. It's not your fault, please. Don't say that.
Sis, I'm so happy you stopped. I can hawk, sell things for people, clean people's houses, do all kind of job so we can eat, but I don't want you to do such ungodly work again.
Yes, Kaido. And I'm so proud of you. You're very wise.
I got it from you, sis. We'll find a way to resolve this issue, and let's not just think about it. Okay.
I just feel I can't tell him though. Like, if I tell him, he might leave. This is the reason why I want a relationship with him. This is why I'm avoiding the whole thing.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. My sister is in. Let's go inside.
Oh, okay. After you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi, Eric. Hi. Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
Thank you.
Welcome,
Yeah.
welcome. I cooked for you, so let me just go and get it.
Oh,
wait, I'm
nice.
coming. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Oh, no problem. It's fine. Ooh.
Here.
Oh, let me help you.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah.
What? No. I will use my hands.
Huh?
I will use my hands instead.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
They say where you go to Rome, you behave like Rome.
Romance.
So.
That's it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Amen.
Wow.
I know, right?
Wow.
I know, right?
Wow, this is nice. This is...
Music to
Girl,
my ears.
you can really cook.
I know.
Please,
Thank
join me.
Oh, no. Yes.
No, I insist. What do you mean you've eaten?
Just it is for you.
I insist. Join me. Let's eat. Come on, guys. Let's eat. Let's go.
Okay. Please, the bowl.
Sorry, my bad. See what I mean? See? It's nice. Your sister can cook.
God, I know. You did everything. It's okay. Anyways.
But you're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? I don't have anything else to say.
You're just smiling.
I'm shy.
Come on, how can you be shy? A whole fine girl like you.
Exactly, that's why I'm shy. Anyways, it's good to have you. Yeah, shy. That's sure. Oh, Dara, you're back. Yeah, thank you. Hi, Eric.
Hi.
Alright, I'll see you inside, huh? Bye-bye.
All right, I would take my leave now.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I don't know if I told you that I lost my job.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay.
Thank you.
You know, we could get another hospital.
Unfortunately, I don't have a nursing certificate. I was only working as a trained nurse. I didn't go to nursing school.
I get it. I see. Oh, you know it's not too late to go back to school. Yes, we can actually work something out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're a true friend indeed. I thought you would judge me.
What do you mean? Why would I judge you? Why would I even do that? Huh? Okay, you know what? You and Kay will be coming over to my place on Saturday.
Oh.
Call me when you're ready.
Okay.
I'll come pick you up.
That's fine then. Thank you. That's fine then. Drive safe, yeah?
Yeah, I will.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Nala, are you dating that guy?
No.
And you go to his house. You're not scared that he might kill you or harm you?
No. My heart trusts him.
What do you know? Me too. Anyways, I'm just looking out for you guys.
Okay.
I'll be in my room.
That's fine.
Jealousy. She wants to stop runs while I continue. No. I can't be the only one doing this disgusting business. I need to try my best to bring her back to it. No, she can't stop just like that. How can she just meet a rich guy and just leave me like that? She wants to leave my level. No. I need to do everything I can to bring her back to it. I can't be the only one doing this. No.
So I told him I no longer work as a nurse and that I lost my job. And since I'm an auxiliary nurse, he offered me another job, but like, I'm just so happy that I don't have to keep lying to him, you know?
Sis, you are using lies to cover up more lies. At the end of the day, the truth is going to come out. Okay, why don't you just confess to him and all this drama is going to end?
But what if he runs away?
Sis, if he runs away, that means he's not good as we think. Good people don't judge people based on their past. Besides, you did it to save my life. You were so desperate to do it.
I continued.
That's because bad habits are addictive. Sis, you're a good person. Beautiful, smart. You stopped this bad attitude immediately you saw him. Sis, just tell him the truth, please. And let all this drama stop. Okay? I'm with you.
Thank you. I love you more. You're not like my mommy.
It's fine.
I don't know what I'll do without you, Kaito.
Me too.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Dora!
Now sleep down, Jerry. Jealousy. It's high time you need to kick this girl out of this house before she stabs you for real. I don't like her.
Listen, if you talk past your age, there's quiet. This place. But did I do anything?
Leave her, Jerry. She's jealous.
If only you can see how much you mean to me. Maybe you will give me a chance. Just maybe. Maybe I should start providing for her. Yeah. She said she was out of her job. Yeah, I should assist her with one or two. And then we could start talking about her going back to school. Just give me a chance, Nuella, give me a chance. Let me show you that you mean the world to me. Eric, calm down. Calm down. Do the calms. I see what you did there. But it's alright. Shall we?
Sure.
After you.
Kaito have fallen for him. And I feel he has fallen for me too.
Accept him now. It's a good idea.
I'm scared. What if he finds out? What will be his reaction when he finds out everything?
That's why you have to open up to him now, before he hears it from another person.
Kaito, I feel so ashamed. Like, it's I mean, it's easier to talk to you because I know you won't judge me.
Thank you, sis. I'm always here for you. I can never judge you for anything.
I know, but
That's fine, it's fine. Okay?
you really think I should tell him?
Yes.
I miss you so much.
Yes, I miss you too. But in a platonic way.
What? In a plateau? In a platonic way, wahala.
I just don't want it to be like we're talking like boyfriend and girlfriend.
But why can't we be? Look, Noella, you haven't still given me a valid reason.
Eric, I need to sleep. I'm sleepy.
Running away again, I guess. All right. I'll talk to you later.
Good night, Eric.
Sleep tight. In a platonic way, this girl. Wait, what if she's rejecting to date me because she's been hurt in the past? You know what? Oh! Eric, you're gonna get a ring on your way back from work. That way she'll know you're serious. Noella, I will get married to you. Yes, you. Noella. Is this a yes?
No. Please, just give me a little time, okay? Please.
It's okay. I'll wait for you. For as long as it takes, okay? I love you. Come here.
Thank you.
Noella,
Yes?
why don't you stay with me?
Oh, no. But you know I have to go.
Please.
Kaito is home. And I won't be setting the right example for her by staying in a man's house. Besides, she knows I'm here, so I need to go.
You know, I can't wait for whatever is holding you back to be over. Because I can't wait to live in this house with you, wake up every morning to see your beautiful face.
Thank you for being patient with me.
Do I have a choice? Up to you.
I can't accept his proposal. He's too good for me.
Sis, you two, you're a good person now, eh? I'm sure Uncle Eric will understand and show you mercy. All All you have to do is just to come clean to him and say nothing but the truth.
Character is not going to be easy.
Yes, I know, but we never can tell. Just try to talk to him about this before it's too late. Okay?
I'll try talking to him.
Please don't worry. It's okay.
I finally found the weapon to separate two of them and have Eric hit her with passion. Why didn't I think of this? Tomorrow will be so interesting.
Why are you here?
Well, I've come to expose the lies and injustice being done against you by the evil girl you choose to love.
What are you talking about?
I really like you, and I have your interest at heart. That is why I'm here to expose Mirella.
Get out of my house.
Noella is a prostitute. She was never a nurse. The day you met us, we were going for one of our runs. And she uses that nursing uniform to deceive her sister from knowing what she truly does.
She's a what?
Prostitute.
Nah. Get out of my house.
What? You don't see any fact in what I just
Just
said?
leave my house.
She's just using you, okay? As a matter of fact, she calls you her maga. Yes.
I said get out of my house.
Okay, do me a favor. Please do not tell her to do any of this. I really do not have anywhere else to go. I don't want her to throw me out of the house, except for if you would accommodate me.
Did I stutter? I said leave my house.
Okay, just going to drop my phone number in case if you do your findings and everything I said is correct. Bye.
Prostitute. It can't be. Noella, a prostitute. No, Eric, you can't believe that girl. Noella is she's a sweet soul, not a prostitute. Eric, you know that Dora girl is an evil one, and she will go to any length to destroy this relationship. I have to get to the bottom of this. I have to find out the truth. Noella is not a prostitute. She's not. She's a nurse. A sweet, tender, loving nurse.
fine girl, Dora.
Hola, darling. How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Hey, beautiful. How are you?
Join us now. Eating.
God, I'm so hungry.
I made chicken stew actually, and there's rice. Just go and help yourself in the
You
kitchen.
are the best. Let me go dish
Okay.
myself.
You're the best too.
She normally acts rude, frowns her face. Now she's all happy. That movement is suspicious.
Right? Who said the coming now is not so? Are you not happy that she's happy?
No, not happy. That movement, something is wrong with it.
Could this be the reason why she has refused to date me? No, it can't be. It can't be. Nuela is a sweet girl. Nuela is a precious human being. She's a nurse and not a prostitute. Eric, what is wrong with you? What's even going through your mind right now? How can you even think such a thing, Eric? What? Why am I even disturbing myself? Why don't I just hear from the horse's mouth? Let me just send her a message that I want to see her and then have a proper conversation with her. Right? Hey. If you're free, can I see you tomorrow? No. Hello. Please, I want to see you tomorrow at my place.
Kaito.
Hmm?
Eric just texted that he wants us to meet, and he didn't call.
Maybe he's in a noisy place.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Hi.
Please sit. Noel, I need you to be very honest with me.
Okay.
Were you a nurse or a prostitute?
Eric, I can explain. I can explain, Eric.
So it's true.
Eric, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. Do you know what I think right now? What I think is the fact that I fell in love with you. Meanwhile, all you wanted to do is use me to make a fool out of me.
No, I'm not a bad person.
What do you mean you're not a bad person? What do you mean you're not a bad person? Ah! You have been lying to me. I don't even know what to believe now. I can't even look at you. Please leave my house.
Eric, please just let me explain.
Leave my house now.
Eric, come on.
Leave my house now, Noella.
You know,
life will push you to doing things you've never imagined yourself doing. That was the reason why I didn't want to date you. I didn't want to drag you to my mess, Eric. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Leave my house.
Sis, what's it?
It's over.
What's over?
It's over. Eric knows everything. It's all over.
How?
What's going on? What happened?
I don't know. He found out that I'm not a nurse and that I'm into hookup, and now he doesn't want to see me again.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to cry. It's okay.
How did he find out?
I don't know. He sent me out of his house. He just said,
Sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. You don't have to cry. I'm sorry. Go. I'm so sorry. It's okay. Sorry. Please excuse me. I want to use the restroom.
I don't know. What do I do?
Don't worry. Just calm down. Just calm down, okay?
Sis, you know what? Just book a cab for me. Let me go to Uncle Eric's house. I'll explain to him everything that happened. Or you can go with me instead. That would be better. So you can... All this drama is just going to end. Please. Please, I'm sorry.
I don't.
Who is there? Who is there? Oh, shit. Who?
Hey!
What are you doing here, you snake?
What?
Listen, Noella might be a prostitute, but you are a snake, and I do not roll with snakes.
Look, I'm only looking out for you.
Do not look out for me. Do you understand me? Noella gave you accommodation, provided food for you, and what do? You sell her out. You came here and said all manner of things about her. I'm beginning to wonder what will happen if I told her everything you said.
No, please do not tell her anything. I don't have anywhere else to go to.
Oh, then get out. Out. I think I should tell Noella about this. This Dora girl is dangerous. And I think she might just be exaggerating everything and adding some of her own lies.
Dora was the one who told him.
I'm not even surprised. She told that girl was evil.
You did. And he advises I shouldn't let her back in the house before she harms me.
He is very correct. In fact, let's go and pack her bag out of this house. Now. Are you with me? You evil fair witch. Oh yeah, carry your bag. Be going.
What's going on, Nella? What is this?
Eric told me that you told him everything and even lied against me, Dora!
Me?
Dora!
Me. It's me.
Nella, please, I'm
Leave
sorry.
my house! Carry your bag and go. Leave!
Please, I don't have anywhere else to
What's
go.
now our business?
At least let me spend the night here.
What is our business? You did not know that when you were betraying my sister, Abby?
I trusted you, Dora. I trusted you and you betrayed me and you expect me to allow you to spend the night. So you stab me when I'm asleep.
No, I won't stab you. God forbid. I won't stab you.
Take your luggage and leave.
Be going. I should escort you. Be going. Carry your bag.
Leave.
Be going.
I don't want to touch you.
Wait, please leave. Leave her. Don't touch her before she possesses you. Be going.
Dora, I trusted you.
Be going.
I did. I trusted you, Dora.
Leave her. Be going.
I trusted you.
Leave her. Let's go inside. Maybe I told you. Look at her. Let's be going. Let's check if she know. She did it to save me. I was dying. No money. The only person that could have helped my sister was Auntie Dora. Instead of her helping, she brought that dirty idea to my sister. My sister rejected it. I was dying. So she had to accept it. I know that all of this would have not happened if I was not in the picture. And it's all my fault.
No, Kaito, don't say that. It's not your fault. It's not. It's not your fault at all. Okay? It's not.
My sister is such a genuine person. That's why she didn't want to date you, because of what she did. Even after knowing that she loves you so much.
I forgive her. I understand everything, Noella. And I'm glad you stopped when you met me. I promise. I will provide and protect you. I will enroll you in school so that you can finish up. And we'll take everything one step at a time afterwards. I love you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Everything will be fine from today, I promise.
Thank you, Eric.